So today our discussion magnetical resonance imaging MRI. So in biomedical engineering, magnetical resonance based upon nuclear properties of hydrogen atoms in the body. So this is the basic practical Siemens company model MRI machine. So this type of machine regularly we will watch in the corporate hospitals, in the hospital environment. So based upon the nuclear properties of hydrogen atoms in the body, so elements having odd number of protons in the nucleus and having the magnetical properties. So this type of MRI invented in 1930. Later it will updated in various information. So this is the basic information. So generally human body has 63% of water content in the molecule, and this MRI machine identifies these hydrogen atoms. So these hydrogen atoms, they can act as small magnets which have north and south pole. So these atoms in the body aligned in different directions as like shown in the picture. So this magnetical machine, for example, hydrogen as atomic number 1, carbon 13, oxygen 17, sodium 23, fluoride 19, phosphorus 31. So hydrogen atom nucleus has only one single proton, which being odd number, and it has the property of spinning nature. So this works like a magnet when the patient is placed in the strong magnetical field. So the magnetical moments of the protons align with or against the field lines of the concerned magnet. So the strength of these magnet may vary from 0.5 Tesla to 4 Tesla and have average cost of the machine $1 million. So when the general working principle of this MRI machine, so the MRI is placed in big magnetical field, patient is placed in the big magnetical field. So the magnetical moment of proton, which are aligned with the field lines of the magnet. So small excessive of the magnetical moment of the proton align with the field so that the net magnetical vector shall be created. Similarly, if the patient lies within the scanner of magnetical field that is created, so magnetic forces cause this nucleus with hydrogen to align referent to concerned parallel direction. So therefore electromagnetical rays are generated from the machine. So basically the magnetical MRI machinery has three internal components, basically primary magnet, gradient magnet, and a coil. So if the RF pulses of the same frequency processing nuclei applied to right angle to the main static magnetical field, so the hydrogen tissues are disturbed. So they absorbed the energy and concerned change their orientation with respect to magnetical field and are lifted to higher energy state. So the emitted energy can be detected, amplified, encoded, transformed to computer in cross section of the images. So the MRI images are accurate for visualization of tumors, inflammatory and vascular abnormalities. So when the patient is in a magnetical field created by the magnet, so the RF transmitter sends the waves through patient and RF receiver detects the signal So the intensity of these signals are converted into images. That's why some MRI has very large frequency value. So basically this machine has a magnetic coil, primary magnet. So it is used to create the magnetical field by coil. So electrical wires and running a current through a wire, and a gradient magnet which can allow for the magnetical field due to alternation of and allow the image slices of the body that should be created, and a coil so that emits the radio frequency pulse allowing the alignment of these protons. So this is the information regarding protons in the MRI theory. So protons which are aligned parallel or anti-parallel to the magnetical field. So the protons which are be in parallel direction, they have lower the energy. Similarly, in this MRI technique, various strong techniques are available for MRI. So ECG gated spin echo, which produces static images with high signal to noise ratio for evaluating anatomic problems. So ECG referred gradient echo for displaying the flap and extent of this disconnection with the aorta. So Klein gradient echo for accessing the cardiac contract function. So the Klein MRI gives tomogram of heartbeat in a synatic format. So therefore velocity is encoded. The MRI to estimate heartbeat gradient across vascular stenatio for following heart. So in this MRI, the radio frequency coil produces the radio frequency simultaneously to the magnetical field. Why? Because in and around MRI machine has magnetical field. Therefore, RF frequency is aligned with this magnetical field. So with this effect, the concerned frequencies are generate the resonant frequency. And they can help to align the atoms in the some direction within the same direction. So the radio waves which are be dropped out, so the protons continue to vibrate, sending these signals back into the radio frequency values to receive these signals. So this is the internal alignment for the patient body. So the signals are through the computer. So the Fourier equation should be produced the concerned image, which we has one type of the application in the signal processing. So tissues can be distinguished from each other based upon the distance. So top and bottom end we have magnet, gradient coils, RF coils. So when the rays are injected on the patient body, so again reflections are done by this patient body. So therefore the equivalent images should be created on the film. So these are the some advantages by the MRI machine. So for a brain imaging application, gland detection, organ detection, joint structure detection, muscle and bone damage and disc identification, tumor detection, diagnosis for various internal organs like eye, ear, heart. So nowadays MRI and CT has very popular during COVID time. So by using CT, so they can know the tidal value for the COVID patients. Very popular therapy for. So these are the different types of the MRI: interventional MRI, real-time MRI, functional MRI. So these are having the graphics like this. So for identification of tumor, so this is the one of the therapy to identify the tumor in the human brain by using the MRI thing. So this is some literature regarding MRI. So same like MRI, so we have CT scan. So very popular CAT or CT scan. CAT, computerized axial tomography, or CT computer tomography? So this is also a very good question for end examination coming from few days. So CAT and CT scan, very important question. So this is the basic CT scan machinery image. So in this way, doctor concerned technician will perform CT Siemens model. CAT or CT scan that will combines X-ray image with the computer technique. So the main principle for CAT or CT, this CT scan permits visualization of internal organs with greater clarity. So X-ray photograph sometimes having shadow for all organs and structures, whereas in this city, which is very clear, pictures are be identified by the concerned fellow. So this medical imaging method employing tomography, where digital geometry processing is used to generate 3D images on internal of the concerned object from the large series of 2D X-ray images are be taken out, sometimes called tomography. So this invented in 1967. So in the live in market 1972. So from where the inventors are be identified. So this is the basic principle for CT scan. X-ray imaging of two objects, one behind with other. And this is the linear tomography. X-ray source and film move simultaneously in the opposite direction. And this is the modern CT scan positionary beam. This is the basic beam that is the CT scanner block diagram. So in this block diagram, suppose if the X-ray source and film are simultaneously moved in opposite direction for a given combination of the source and the film velocity, objectives are appear to remain stationary with respect to the film during the movement of one single plane perpendicular to path of the rays. So the shadows of the objects at all other distances from source will move on the film that produce the blur image. So a very narrow pencil like X-ray beam that scan a single slice perpendicular to body axis. So by scanning two or more slices, a 3D representation can be created. So the measurement is done by a synthetic portion to that intensity. The light measured by photo multiplier tubes, X-ray source and film move simultaneously in opposite direction. So present days, a CAT scanner, they can use X-ray sources which provide fan beams and multiple detectors to simultaneously measure the densities across the wide position of the slice. So in this picture, fastest instrument having fan beam that covers complete width of the slice. Several hundred detectors are used to measure a density pattern of the slice with a good resolution. So the time for complete scanning of the slice having only a few seconds. High scanning rates are feasible, which permit scanning for all sections of the body. So the TCG will help to reconstruct the slices, various phases of the cardiac cycle. So the CAT scanners, they can provide information about internal organs and the body structures, which could not be done conventional X-ray photographs. So it is regarded as one of the major development in the medical instrumentation. So within this block diagram, the X-ray source and the detectors are mounted opposite to each other. So if the patient is placed between the source and the detector, so X-rays from the source are passing through the body. So the radiation transmitted from a body is sensed by the detector. So the source of the made moving detector are both across the section of the body. So the measurements are made at regular intervals, which is electron beam CT scanners are used in the 8-point concerned pictures. So this is another electron beam passage of the CT scanner, which can move apart from the individual CT scan. So this is the computer image, like some image for CT scan. So practical CAT scan machine. So this is the another simplified image, which is having internal parts like electron beam, electron gun, data acquisition system, detector ring, target ring, patient body string. So in this way, we have to identify the CAT image for brain. So these are the various CT scan brain images for various layers. This is also another CT scan images for various parts, lungs, spinal cord, forehands, muscles, joint, leg joints, neck, brain, eyes, various CT scan images. So this is the pictorial some CT scan machine before equipment assembling. So apart with this one, X-ray. So this is also very popular technique for medical application. So everybody has very good knowledge about X-ray and radioisotopic instrumentation. The basic aim for X-ray, so it can penetrate opaque objects and provide an image of their inner structures. So these images are used for medical diagnosis, and these X-rays are also used for therapeutic purpose and the domain of medical specialty, which is known as radiology. X-ray equipment, major part of the medical instrumentation. So basic definition for this X-ray, which is having X-ray spectrum. So this is the basic electromagnetical spectrum. So where what are the various applications in electromagnetical radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. So this is the basic X-ray machine. He is the X-ray father. So this is the first X-ray image of human body taken by this concerned patient. So this is the basic principle for X-ray tube. So when fast moving electrons are suddenly deaccelerated by impinging on the target of X-rays which are generated. So this X-ray tube, which is having high vacuum diode with a heated cathode located opposite to target anode. So the intensity of X-rays depends on current through the tube. The wavelength of the X-rays depends on target material and the velocity of electron holding the concerned target. So X-ray equipment for diagnosis purpose, they can use these target voltages, which are range 30 to 200 kilovolt. So the current in the concerned range are several milliamperes. This is the basic I mentioned here principle of X-ray tube. So fast moving electrons suddenly deaccelerated by impinging on concerned target. X-rays are generated, and the intensity of this X-ray depending on current through particular tube, and wavelength depends upon target material and velocity of electron holding the target. So this X-ray equipment having concerned milliamperes. So X-ray film construction. So this is the X-ray film interaction with the body. So film construction and instrumentation. So bones, metallic parts, which are air-filled cavities, have different densities from the surrounding tissues. Therefore, X-ray machines are able to show up well high density parts. For example, bones, parts, air-filled cavities. So X-ray machines are based upon principle having X-ray film construction, which is showing on this picture. So once X-ray penetrate into a body part, so internal part structure absorbs varying amount of radiation. So the radiation that leaves the body has a varying intensity of image on the screen. So the X-ray are visualized for imaging by techniques such as photographic emulsion. So here we have some special technique such as grids, angiography, cardiac catheterization, 3D visualization for a particular X-ray machine. So X-ray naturally also able to diagnose other than bones, metallic parts. So in this block diagram, so the diagnosis X-ray machine has high milliampere large current for heating the element and a low exposure time. So we have therapeutic purpose. So X-ray machine very low milliampere high voltage potentials.
Commonly known as MRI, helps doctors find, watch, and treat medical problems. MRI uses very strong magnets, radio waves, and a computer to make pictures of the inside of the body. MRI pictures are more detailed than those made with other methods. There are many reasons to have MRI. MRI may find bleeding, such as bleeding in the brain. Brain changes, as in stroke. Problems with your back, such as a herniated disc. And an injury inside the body, such as a torn anterior cruciate ligament. Before MRI, you will remove all metal objects. And it's not safe to have MRI with some medical implants. You should tell the MRI technologist about any metal, device, or implant you may have in your body, such as a pacemaker. To prepare for MRI, you will lie on a table just outside the scanner. MRI scanners are very noisy, so you will probably wear earplugs or headphones. Different equipment, such as pillows and straps, will help you stay in the correct position. Once you are ready, the table will slide into the scanner. Most often, closed scanners, such as this one, are used. The area inside is very narrow. In some areas, open scanners are available. This scanner is open on the sides, so you won't be completely surrounded by the machine. However, the pictures may not be as good as with closed scanners. For either type of scanner, a technologist will operate it from the next room. You will be able to talk to each other through a two-way speaker. During the scan, magnets in the machine will create a strong magnetic field. This will not harm you. Then, the scanner will send radio waves through your body. This will not harm you. When the radio waves are turned off, the scanner will pick up energy signals from your body. These signals are used to make the pictures. During the scan, you will have to stay very still so the images will be clear. You may be asked to hold your breath for a short time. MRIs may take 30 to 45 minutes or longer to complete. In some cases, you may get contrast dye with your MRI. The dye helps make clearer pictures. After the MRI, you can resume your normal activities. If you received contrast dye, the technologist may ask you to drink plenty of water or other healthy drinks to help your kidneys remove the dye from your body.